On February 14th of 2023, we will be putting before our voters a bond measure that is designed to make certain that we're leaving a legacy for our students. Hello, my name is Sean Carey and I am the proud superintendent of the Enumclaw School District, and it is my pleasure to be able to talk with you about our 2023 bond proposal. So the scope of the bond includes creating capacity within our aging facilities. That means the construction of a new Tin Trails Elementary School, replacement of Byron Kibler Elementary with the Birth to Five Center, replacing the Performing Arts Center, and a new athletic complex. Other upgrades include safety and security, mechanical, electrical, and structural improvements, and also addressing our district athletic needs.
One of the reasons why these projects have been identified as important for this particular bond is really due to the unprecedented growth that is happening across our district. When you look at the growth that's happening up north in the Black Diamond area, we know that just in the Tin Trails and Lawson Hills areas, we have scheduled to be around 5,500 to 6,000 homes. Of all the growth up there, really only about 1,000 homes are in. So we can imagine, we know what that will be like in the 10, 15 years to come. The projected tax impact of this bond is $1.56 per $1,000 of assessed value, which will bring the estimated combined tax rate to $4.19. Historically, we've had a tax rate that has been between $4 and $5 per thousand of assessed value. Only recently has that tax rate dropped down into the mid-3s to upper $2 range. And with this bond, we're looking at moving forward with more of a level tax rate in the low $4 range for the foreseeable future.
If you have questions, comments, or concerns regarding the bond, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We are looking forward to creating facilities that will meet the needs of our students, not just today, but also tomorrow.